So I'm your host for today. I'm Pancake. And
So, we also look sa risk growing of management kung may itong content before. So, nakikita din kasi doon yung winning rate mo. Then, kung naka-set yung winning rate mo ng high, doon mo palang papasok. Pag nag-technical analysis ka tapos yung winning rate mo doon is mababa, ang pinilit mo, masusunod ka. So,
1 month, kaya meron tinatag ng moving average na 20 is yung Saturday, Sunday, wala naman trading sa mga forex, mga ganun. Kaya 20 days, yung 21 days, 20 days, ang 1 month, hindi siya 30 days. So, gamit siya ng 20 days moving average, 75 days moving average, and 200 days moving average. So, for the middle and long, gumagamit siya ng 75 days and 200 moving average. Kasi, pag hindi mo tinignan yung tatlo na to, kunyari, 20 days moving average mo is malapit sa church, pababa. Eh, pag yung mag-zoom out ka ng konti, so moving average mo is 75 naman, eh, medyo pataas. So, maluloko ka dun sa, sa 20 days moving average. Kaya you need to compare lahat din yung moving average na 20, 75, and 200.
so what did you learn in today's session?
Actually, I learned how to plot kasi Mr. Park ginawa niyo actual na plotting nung hindi ko normally alam mag-plot sa trading view or hindi ko alam kung paano nila ginagawa pero kayo na medyo naintindihan ko na kasi one by one yung ginawa yung diagonal, yung horizontal plotting, etc. yung wave lahat nung yung tatlong because he's using 3 indicators